Hey my friend, it's Brent Blaze with Elevation Guild. If you're looking for the best place to invest money right now, you are in the right place. In this video, you're going to learn about an incredible project whose valuation has gone from $1 billion to over $5 billion in less than 2 months. It's disrupting a multi-billion dollar industry with some incredible innovations and technology, and they're actually sharing revenue and royalties with venture capitalists during a seed round that's lasting until August 16th. In this video, I'm going to condense this project and deliver it to you as succinctly as possible so that you can get a high-level overview of exactly what this company is doing and how you benefit and can profit from it. And then in the description below this video, I'll leave links to additional content and resources that you can dive into. This company is using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain technology to bring transparency to the sports industry. Multiple 5-star cutting-edge academies are being built out around the world right now that are assessing athletic performance using head-to-toe AI technology, assessing their cognition, their biomechanical performance. All of that data has been uploaded to the blockchain so that sports teams around the world can scout for talent. Myself and my business partner Susan flew to Brazil in January to get a guided tour of one of these phenomenal academies in Acopiara. We were also in attendance at the launch summit where the Federal Senator of Brazil, the Minister of Sports, the President of the Football Federation, and some top-notch famous athletes were present for the rollout of this phenomenal project. The main academy that's been built out has 8 playing fields, a stadium to hold 10,000 spectators, hotels, business centres, medical centres. Essentially, it's an entire city. And they're scouting and searching for talent right now in over 1,000 football fields across Brazil. The President of Brazil opened up access to all of these football pitches. The scouting team has 16 videographers, scouts, doctors, police officers, analysts and assistants. This company, Blockchain Sports, has partnered with Inner Athlete, covered by 91 patents and currently being used by the NFL, baseball and the US Department of Defense. This tracks every conceivable metric that you can think of, including speed, endurance, strength, coordination, flexibility, and all of this captured data is fully transparent and visible for the whole world to see and for scouting platforms all around the world and professional clubs to find upcoming talent. This real-world use case for blockchain technology provides security and immutability and full transparency of all the data that's captured. All of this captured data essentially creates a digital version of a player's career over time. You can look at everything from run speed to their accuracy and the progression of their stamina. Many legends of the game are being attracted to blockchain sports because of the incredible opportunities it's providing for upcoming talent, kids that may never have had an opportunity to show the world what they were capable of. These include Zico and Romario, top goal scorers in the World Cup, and here you will see a growing list of legendary footballers from all around the world that are ambassadors of this incredible project. A reality show consisting of 7 episodes is currently in production to document the emotional journey and the rise to fame of these upcoming athletes. 2 of the episodes have already been recorded and the series goes live in September 2024. The best of the best in television, cinema and sound design have been brought together to produce this film, and here is some behind the scenes footage. Now, you don't have to understand how artificial intelligence or blockchain technology works. In fact, you don't even have to be all that passionate about sports to take advantage of this investment opportunity. This company has given a unique window of time to invest in a public seed round between now and August 16th. By contributing venture capital that you're comfortable with, 40% of the net revenue of this company will be shared back to those founding partners. And this revenue share, these royalties that's shared back with you as an early stage investor, covers the entire spectrum of the whole blockchain sports ecosystem. Everything from the franchise fees of the football academies. Every time that patented inter-athlete technology is licensed, the entire marketplace for the scouting platform to scout all of that athletic talent, 40% of the revenue from the reality TV shows and live events around the world. And we've barely scratched the surface in this video to the vast array of projects inside of this ecosystem, including extended reality that allows football teams to play each other even while they're in different parts of the world. And you will also own a part of the underlying architecture of the blockchain that will continue to earn you revenue from all the transaction fees and all the transactional volume that happens on the blockchain for the lifetime of the company. Now, I know we covered a lot in a short space of time, my friend. There is a lot of depth to this project, but to simplify things, you get to own an asset, a cash flow asset that will continue to earn you revenue and royalties from every vertical within this ecosystem for the lifetime of the company. It already has a certified valuation of over $5 billion, and this valuation does not even cover all of the verticals that we discussed in this video. So if you'd like to learn more about this phenomenal company and how you can profit as an early stage investor, go ahead and click the links in the description below this video and secure your spot. Thanks a lot for watching, my friend. See you in the next video.